Welcome to Harbor of Tech, where today we dive into the world of data recovery with MiniTool Power Data Recovery. This video is proudly sponsored by MiniTool Power Data Recovery. In this video, we will explore the features, benefits, and practical usage of this powerful recovery tool. Our goal is to help you understand how MiniTool can save your precious data in critical situations. Harbor of Tech is dedicated to bringing you honest reviews and in-depth tutorials on the latest tech solutions. MiniTool Power Data Recovery is a lightweight yet robust software designed to recover lost, deleted, or formatted data. It has been trusted by millions since its inception to retrieve files from various storage devices. Today, we will cover everything from installation and scanning to file previewing and recovery. We will also discuss the different recovery modules and pricing options available for this software. The software is engineered to work with various storage media, including hard drives, SSD, USB drives, and SD cards. It supports multiple file systems such as NTFS, FAT32, and exFAT, making it versatile and comprehensive. MiniTool Power Data Recovery is especially useful when traditional backup methods have failed. You can easily install the software from their website. Link is in description. One of the key features is its ability to perform deep scans on both internal and external storage devices. This deep scanning technology can retrieve lost files, even from damaged or inaccessible partitions. The software includes an intuitive file preview function that lets you view recoverable files before restoration. The installation is complete, and I'm excited to begin scanning my external drive with MiniTool Power Data Recovery. I connect my external drive to my computer and immediately launch the software. The main dashboard appears, displaying all connected drives and partitions. I quickly locate my external drive in the list and select it. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and choose the drive I want to scan. I click the scan button, and the deep scanning process begins. A progress bar appears, showing the estimated time remaining and the number of files found so far. MiniTool Power Data Recovery starts reading data from the external drive, searching for lost and deleted files. The software categorizes files into types like documents, photos, videos, and audio for easy review. I noticed that even files from damaged or formatted partitions are being detected. The scan runs smoothly, and I can see new file entries appearing every few seconds. I take a moment to adjust the filter settings to focus on the most recent deletions. The advanced filter options let me narrow the search by file type, size, and date, which is very helpful. While the scan continues, the interface updates with the clear progress percentage and the total number of recoverable files. I appreciate the detailed view, which allows me to monitor the recovery process in real time. As the scan nears completion, the progress bar steadily approaches 100%. Once finished, the software displays a comprehensive list of recoverable files in a File Explorer-like view. I scroll through the list and identify my lost photos, documents, and videos, neatly organized by file type. Clicking at any file reveals a preview, so I can verify its contents before recovery. The preview function works smoothly, giving me a clear look at each file's details. After confirming the files I need, I select them using the checkboxes next to each item. I then click the Save button to initiate the recovery process. I feel relieved knowing that my important data has been restored quickly and efficiently. This entire process from launch to recovery took just a few minutes, showcasing the power of MiniTool Power Data Recovery. We encourage you to click the link in the description to download the free trial and experience its capabilities firsthand. I navigate to the folder containing my photos. I select one picture and press delete, simulating an accidental removal. The photo disappears instantly from the folder. Immediately, I launch MiniTool Power Data Recovery and choose that specific folder. I click Scan and watch as the software begins its real-time search. Within seconds, the deleted picture reappears in the scan results. I click Preview to verify it's the one I just deleted. After confirming, I select the picture and hit Recover. I choose a different drive as the recovery destination to prevent overwriting. The recovery process completes in moments and the picture is restored exactly as before. Thank you once again for watching, and we hope this video has shed light on the benefits and functionalities of MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Stay safe, keep your data backed up, and until next time, happy tech exploring!